Sorry, no video. I wasn't organized enough to get a video started, but I managed to solder a closure on this tiny, and I mean tiny, it's about the size of my thumbnail, as you can see, piece of sea glass. This is 14 karat gold, and I'm not particularly good at wire wrapping, but I'll get better. But I managed to solder a closure so it won't come apart, and I also annealed the dead soft 14K 22 gauge wire, so it's now stiff. So proud of myself, because that was freaking scary. That's a lot of money in this market. Even that much 14 karat gold is a lot of money. And here's the culprit. My micro blazer. It's cool. I like it. Terrifying, like I said, but I like it.